Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Jennifer bought a box of crunchy grain cereal. The nutrition facts in the box state that a serving size of the cereal is 3/4 of a cup and provides 210 calories, 50 of which are calories from fat. In addition, each serving of the cereal provides 180 milligrams of potassium, which is 5% of the daily allowance for adults. On Tuesday, Jennifer will mix crunchy grain cereal with super grain cereal for her breakfast. Super grain cereal will provide 240 calories per cup. We're asked if the total number of calories in 1 cup of Jennifer's mixture is 270, how much super grain cereal is in 1 cup of the mixture. So we're told the calories per cup of super grain cereal, but we have to find it for crunchy grain. Luckily, we're told that 3/4 of a cup provides 210 calories. So what we can do is we multiply this by 4/3 and this by 4/3. 210 times 4/3 you can calculate as 280, but then on this side, the 4's cancel and the 3's cancel, we're left with 1 cup. So 1 cup of crunchy grain cereal is 280 calories, 1 cup of super grain cereal is 240. So we're looking at 1 cup of the mixture. So let's say let X be the amount of crunchy grain in this mixture, and Y be the amount of super grain. Those amounts combined, X plus Y, is equal to 1 cup, so just 1. Then if we're looking at the calories, if crunchy grain provides 280 calories per cup, then the calories provides in this mixture is 280 times X. So if it was all crunchy grain cereal, this would be a 1 and it would be 280 calories. If it was half and half, this would be 280 times 1/2, and so on. Same thing here, the amount of calories provided by the super grain cereal is 240 times Y. So if we know that, then this is equal to the total number of calories in the entire thing, which is 270. And now we have a system of equations where we can solve for one of them. We're looking for how much super grain cereal is in the equation, so we can solve for Y in this equation. So X plus Y is equal to 1. Therefore, if we subtract Y from both sides, X is equal to 1 minus Y. Now we can plug this in to this equation and have an equation where we can solve for Y. So you have 280 times 1 minus Y, right, plugging in for X, plus 240Y is equal to 270. 280 times 1 is 280, minus 280 times Y is negative 280Y, plus 240Y is equal to 270. Subtract 280 from both sides. These cancel out. On this side, you're left with negative 280Y plus 240Y is negative 40Y is equal to 270 minus 280 is negative 10. We want to solve for Y, so divide both sides by negative 40. These cancel and we get Y is equal to negative 10 divided by negative 40, which is 1/4. So this is the amount of super grain cereal in the mixture, 1/4. B is going to be your final answer.